Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Aliyu from Recipe Box NG. Today with hash browns. So let's get straight into the recipe. I have 7 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and washed. You can use 5 large ones, or if you have those really large potatoes the size of his head, then just use 3 of those for the ingredient amount in this recipe. We're going to finely grate these potatoes and wash with clean water. Then put it in a cloth to remove all the water. I'm using a net here. You can use cheesecloth, you can use normal chiffon or organza material. Make sure there is no water in the potatoes. Next, we're going to add some onions, some garlic, and pepper. While we process our onions and peppers, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. In a bowl, add the potatoes, our grated onions and peppers. Then we're going to add some seasoning cubes, 2 seasoning cubes precisely. All ingredients will be listed in the description box. Please do check it out. We will grate and add some mozzarella cheese. You can easily make this at home. I have a video on this channel. It's going to pop right now on the screen. So please go watch that and know how to make your own mozzarella cheese at home. The link will also be in the description box. I'm going to break in 1 egg and add it in here. Then have a cup of flour. Mix everything together. You can fry this right away, but I like to keep it for like 5 minutes so that it loosens up before you fry. And now for our winner of the giveaway from the last video. The beautiful sleep set goes to El Sutra's Kitchen. Congratulations to El Sutra's Kitchen for winning our giveaway. Please do contact me on any of my social media accounts. They are listed in the description box to claim your prize. Thank you. There will be a lot more giveaways coming on this channel. If you want to be a lucky winner, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Only subscribers can win. In my pan, I have some butter. You can use any kind of oil you have. You just need just a little. You add some of the mixture and then you use your spatula to shape it. So we're going to shallow fry this in hot oil or butter. Use your spatula to give it a nice shape. You can be creative at this point and make any shape you want. Fry for about 5 minutes, then turn it to the other side. Oops, wrong move. Well, make sure all sides are golden brown and then you're sure that the inside is all cooked. Do this until you fry the whole batter. Now we are done. You can enjoy this beautiful breakfast with some ketchup or mayonnaise or any dip that you have. If you enjoyed this video, please click the video on your screen right now to watch another of my recipes I know you like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.